So, basically, I think I spent about hour and a half. Didn't even know what it was called. So try finding a part that you don't know what the name is. And I had the choice of buying a whole new shaft for $100, which that wasn't happening, or going to a junkyard. And in the course of looking on Summit Racing, I found what I was looking for, but it was not for my motor. So it was either an earlier version of the motor or what, I don't know. So I figured out what it was called, and long and behold, I found it on eBay. So that's supposed to be coming in on the 22nd. I can't do any more with this car. I can't tighten down the intake because I don't want to ruin the gaskets I just put in there. And the reason is I gotta turn this motor to make sure all the valves and everything work. And I can't turn the motor with the radiator in and coolant in it. I have to have the radiator out. So I am literally on hold until I get that bolt. So, feeling next weekend. I'm feeling it. So, nothing else I can do until I get. I think I paid $10 for that damn bolt. No, I think it was more than that. So, and then hopefully this is it. Once I get it running and put the exhaust back on and put the bumper back on and the bumper cover back on and go get license plates. So very, very, very interesting experience. Probably would have been nicer if this was in the pickup truck, as there's more room and I wouldn't have to tear half my car apart. But here we are. So, oh, how frustrating.